Good morning, friends. You are asking me some questions. I will address related to competitive exam, especially IIT, JEE. So the how to crack IIT, JEE? That is a question. So what are the questions you are asking? First question: when I have to start? Second question: which institute is best for IIT, JEE preparation? The third question: which book is best for IIT JEE preparation of physics, especially that you are addressing? And how I can prepare for IIT JEE physics? It is a fearful, scary, and how to do, especially who is not taking mathematics, not liking mathematics, or planning to take, avoiding mathematics, need how to do physics. You cannot escape from the mathematics. That is a question. So we have to address this question. When should I begin my JEE preparation? It starts normally a topper starts from year 9th standard onwards. So if you are 10th end, no problem. You are at 10th end, so till time is not run out. So what you have to do, knowing your enemy, given short time, you have to budget your time on. You have to start preparing. Budget, know your enemy, and start preparing. Now, right now, which moment is best in your life? We are asking. Everybody will tell some other time, but the actual answer is the present moment is important. You do the present moment. So when I should, every moment you have to start. Now, as a 10th end, you are very much critical to consume your budget, your time. So understand that. Don't indulge in distractions. Keep focused. Every moment prepare. But not stress your mind. Do smart. Study, not study hard. Study smart. Plan. So timetable, plan, budgeting time, and staying focused. So this only answer for the question for when I should begin my JEE preparation. So coming to next question, which institute is best for IIT JEE preparation? It is a laughable question. If you have got enrolled in FIT JEE, IIT will give certificate to you, you get admitted. No, you have to crack the exam. You have to crack the nut. How to crack the nut? So it is you, not the institute. It is you, not the physics teacher, that to be bothered about. You have to bother. This question should not be asked. Everybody is unique. Your way of preparation is different. My way of preparation is different. Everybody is having their own individuality. So according to your talent, sometime you may like to read in the morning. Sometime somebody may like to method. In other words, methods are different. The plan is different for unique person. So your capacity is different. For example, I can say high capacity students for the JEE addresses. Syllabus getting along is tough. So if you are highly qualified, already you are having gift of God, then you can go there. Alan, mostly they are. It is my perception. It's my perception. Your mileage may vary. So, in my opinion only. So they are also going. They will separate elite batch or golden batch, and they will segregate. So it is not to downgrade you. The capacity is that much only. So we have to fight. We have to fight ourselves. So we have to bother about us. We have to spend our time. So you have to address. Question is you, not the institute. Every institute is best. Every teacher is best. The problem is these all the questions boils down to you. All the questions boil down to you. How you are going to prepare. Everything you will plan, but you will miss what we will do. We will not stay in focus. Teacher has to give best material. Teacher has to conduct his class very good. But I will download a lot of materials, and I am having best books, colorful books purchased. But I will not prepare. I will not get focused. I will be distracted by WhatsApp, other things. Nothing can be done. So be disciplined and self-focused. Do your duty. Be receptive. So the thing is about you. So get right now, bend your mind, get into the competition, stay focused and do it. Every institute is best. So according to your nature, which institute addresses which institute, that you find out. Find where you are comfortable, where you can focus. For example, if you are at homesick, you can do well in home. You can do in home also. Taking expert at online coaching, you can join. Same. If you want to go in interaction, what is the disadvantage of online coaching is that you will not have direct interaction with the teacher. But it is having its own advantage. Interaction will not be there, but other it's having its own advantages and disadvantages. Which institute is best? That is depending on your nature. So if you are already scoring 90 plus in CBSE, I will say that FITDJ you can consider Alan, or you can consider other institutes. So that way I am telling. So every teacher is best. You have to change. I have told you. Which book is best for IIT JEE? That is NCERT book is, every book is best. NCERT book is first essential. You have to master. NCERT book is best in my opinion. Again, your mileage may vary. So which book is best? Was NCERT textbook, exemplar problem book. Then okay, of course you have to go for higher concept practicing books. Physics by survey. Physics by heavy conceptual physics gives you concepts, you can go through that and solve previous year problems and solutions. That is enough. Previous year solutions. I will lot of persons suggest Erado. I do not suggest Erado for physics. Previous year question bank is there. They are giving beautiful idea. That fight with that. Then finally the question is that how can I prepare for IIT JEE physics? How I can prepare for IIT? It is scary, it is fearful. That we can say all the things. How to prepare? So how to prepare? So you have to maths tool, you have to understand basic concepts, you have to understand basic integration, differentiation and fundamental things you have to understand, that I will address. Then how to do physics? Normally this we find that you have to do, first clear the concept. First clear the concepts. We solve lot of problems. Then we want to create our concept. Ulta kar rahe hum. We are always do reverse. We are solving madly some problems and we'll try to make concepts. That is a wrong approach. That is a wrong approach. You have to clear concept and you have to go for problem solving. Of course, if you want to modify, I wish to modify here. Understand concept. Test your concept with the exemplar problems. Then come for exercises. Then go for additional exercises. NCERT calls some additional exercises. Understand the difference between exercises and additional exercises. Then catch that point. If you are catching what is additional in that additional exercises, then you are grasping where you are going, what path you are going. So understand the concept. Check the concepts with exemplar problems, then do the exercises, then do the additional exercises. Then you practice the old question bank of previous year questions. That will give you fruitful success to you. Not you cannot read much high-fi books outside. Keep on reading, not possible. Just you have to build up concepts. And IIT JEE or IIT JEE Advanced, they are not going to repeat the question. They will demand you new concepts, new mixture of concepts, or it will be entirely new type. So your mind has to work out of box. So build up concepts. So you work. Some here, understanding concepts, to remember the concept, you can make some tricks. Like for example, left hand rule or right hand, Fleming's left hand rule, right hand rule, we thump, we always call father, we call mother, and we call this as a child. So father, mother, child. So thumb represents force. This is magnetic field. This is current direction. So it gives. So like this mnemonic or shortcut you can follow. For another example, you can say FST, fast. So foolish science teacher means when light ray goes from faster medium to slower medium. faster medium to slower medium. It bends towards the normal. It's supposed to go like this. It bends towards the normal. So like this, mnemonics you can follow. Mnemonics you can follow. And this will help you to remember. Another thing is that in AC, you are going to read that AC circuit. So this FST, not only faster medium to slower medium, it bends towards the normal light ray. Fully science teacher you can remember. Apart from that, far-sighted person uses twin lens, eye lens and eye ka samne, in front of eye we have convex lens. So both are convex lens. So twin lens. So far-sighted person obviously will have twin convex lenses. So the eye is obviously convex lens. So this is also convex lens, a twin lens. That way single mnemonic you can remember. In chemistry also, it is suggested to remember periodic table by some mnemonics. That way we can have. So best method to approach is what I am suggesting here. I am differing from others. That way I am emphasizing that. Understand the concept. So understand the concept. Understanding concepts, remember that hard concepts, you can use some mnemonics or tricks. Okay, then concepts check by exemplar problems, conceptual questions. Then do solve exercises you do, NCERT exercise. Then additional exercise you do. Then you solve previous year question paper. Take how to clear concepts. Don't do ulta. Don't create a concept from madly solving problem. That is a wrong method. So how to understand the concept and clear the concept and be concrete in concept. This you have to approach the teacher. You have to choose the mentor. You have to choose mentor. You have to trust your teacher and you have to go. And teacher will spend less time with you. You have to do self-study. You have to focus. It is a brick by brick. You have to clear the concept and build up the concept. No building is built on single day, brick by brick. Here it is concept by concept. You are tool by tool. Every day you have to accumulate your tool box with a lot of concepts. So that you take help of teacher. Your teacher, every teacher is best. You will accomplish. He will try to accomplish something in class. He tries to tell some concept in a class that you grasp. If you are not grasping, that is not teacher's mistake. That is your mistake. So for example, Erwin Schrödinger, famous physicist, he was teaching a tough topic, quantum mechanics. So nobody understood. So what they are telling? Wanted, dead or alive. Okay. So if you are not understanding, kill that fellow. So physics is complicated. So physics teacher is wanted, dead or alive. So it is not a physics teacher's mistake. It is our mistake. Our mistake. So we have to understand. So how to crack JEE? So you see, monkeys also cracking the nut. How they are having the skill. So selectively we remember a lot of information from TV, serial, player's name, is when he did what, all the things except they are required for our life. So distraction kills us. Don't get distracted. Stay focused. Crack the nut. So it is us, the boy. It is not others. It is I am. You have to decide. Stay focused. Avoid a distraction. And follow the teacher. And be receptive. Be receptive. That is important. How to crack. That is how to crack. So you have to understand the situation. So according to the technology, we have to read smart. We have to read smart. So how to do physics? It is tough. It is scary. And how to do? It is difficult only. You have to plan. You have to plan. So how to do? We have to understand. So for exam purpose, not only exam purpose, for life purpose itself, we have to do 3 apples that changed our life. So physics changed our life. So mathematics used as a tool. So you have to understand that basic concept. So we can have a better understanding of the world apart from preparing for exam. Once you pass the exam, what you will do? Suppose somehow, hypothetically, you have been put in IIT. Without basic knowledge, how will you survive in IIT? You have to understand the concepts. That is essential for us. So thing is that right now, with available every book, you have to, it is you have to change. Okay, you are asking question, that is very fine, you are calibrating yourself. Just asking question and discarding every information and just I will be as it is. No, you have to change. The change should be in you, not in the world. That only Gandhi says. You don't expect the change outside. Be the change you are. You should be the change. That way he tells. So, you have to know your enemy first. So how you have to know your enemy? Vicky how tells. So JEE pattern kya? We are having 30 physics question, 30 chemistry question and 30 mathematics question, 3 hours. So 1 hour physics 30 questions. You see, one question 2 minutes. So we have 30 chapter, 15 chapter unit 11th, 15 chapter 12th. So roughly 30 chapters, 30 questions. So one chapter, one question. So you, from whatever the concept, 15 concept will be there in one chapter. So how many concepts? 30 into 15. So 450, roughly 500 concepts. So 500 in physics, 500 in chemistry, 500 in math, roughly 1500 concepts you have to understand and you have to digest, assimilate. Then you have to be ready for competition. That you can do in one day? No, it is not possible. A building is not built in one day. You remember that. So every day you have to prepare. So when to start the exam? You should have started 9th class. Not a problem. 10th. Still it is not a problem. Only time is short. You have to make up that time. But the further delaying is, it will be costly for you. So budget your time, stay focused, avoid distractions and start with NCERT books. Understand the concept. Take the help of everybody, parents, teachers, friends. Stay focused, solve it. So read the NCERT books, understand the concept, test your concept in exemplar problems, then come to exercises. Then go to additional exercise. Understand what is additional. Ask yourself question. Additional exercise, what gives additional to you? Why it is called additional exercise? So do exercise. Then go for previous year question paper. Solve. This keep on going. Daily practice problem. You have to do daily practice problem. Okay. So understanding concept. I am having teacher. I am having book. I am having these things. But still I am finding harder. It will be harder only. Nothing will be 1 plus 1. You cannot ask. 1 plus fill up 1 plus 1. Can we ask 1 plus 1 in exam? 1 plus 1 equal to fill. What is the number? Fill in the blanks. We cannot ask. Then it is not competition. Agreed or not? It will be tougher. We have to select some few people out of more people. So you have to be one. You want to be one among the big people, but you should be qualified for that. So what you have to do? It is tough only. Nothing. No pain, no gain. You have to fight. Otherwise, it will bite. Then it will burn. Biting place will burn. So you have to prepare. If you are not preparing for the war, you will bleed in the war. So you should not bleed. You should prepare. You should fight. It is tough. I am not telling it is just like that. I am not telling like others. I am not telling it is great. It is easy. Just once and I will go ahead like that. So it is easier like that. I am not. It is tough. You have to fight. You have to put tail inside and you have to sit. That first, the change. What is the change? Where the change should be? In you. You have to stay focused. I am repeating, stay focused. So avoid distractions. It is your life career. So 2 more years. You sacrifice everything. Stay focused. Budget your time. Every moment. The time is very costly. Every moment. Everybody, God is unique. For Chief Minister, Prime Minister, for everybody it is 24 hours allotted. For you also 24 hours allotted. So it is unique. It is evenly distributed. There is no less or high. So it is up to you to utilize. So you utilize. So coming to weightage part, you can divide. You see mechanics. it is 11th. E&M, it is 12th. So other things, chapters are there, optics, certain thermodynamics, it varies, the weightage varies. So mechanics and E&M occupies morely 60%. The optics, so you are reading in 10th, this E&M and optics. You might have read mechanics and other waves like this in 9th. So 9th extends to 11th, 10th extends to 12th. So you might have started the foundation. Then you should correlate the IIT JEE questions. So that way normally people will tell 9th is best place to start the IIT JEE. So start the foundation. Even right time you are woken up, like Newton got woken up by apple. So if you are woken up in 10th, it is not a problem. Only time loss is there, that you pick up. Now you put. So mechanics and EM and occupies, you cannot, no subject is tough for this. It is a question of practice. Everything is practice. Okay, so you intelligent here, you can apply your smartness. And with past trend and recent trend and expert tips, they will give what are the probable chapter it is asked this year. That like journals, educational journal, physics journals you can go through. But everything you need a fundamental in every subject. Because unique particular chapter they will not ask, they will combine. They will combine, concepts are combined. E&M involves vector knowledge. It involves differentiation and integral calculus. Without a resolution of force or vector resolution, force diagram, free body diagram, you cannot do E&M. That itself demands the mechanics knowledge. So it is a mixture of concepts. So you have to be thorough. So uska basic mathematical tool you should know. Mathematical tool we should know. The concept clearing should be there. Concept clearing should be there. That you understand. So weightage you can go for smart study, but every chapter, every understanding is key to the success. So don't miss out anything. So you have to master the math tools. You have to understand the concept, solve the problems, and fight with the physics problems. Always make short notes that will act as a revision for you also. Then you practice, daily practice problems. You practice, keep on practice. So 11th you do 11th. 12th you revise parallelly 11th subject, 12th subject plus 11th subject. Daily practice problem you solve. Day by day. Stay focused. Be confident. And that will solve the problem. So coming to conceptual clearing, some fundamental understanding is required. Some fundamental understanding is required. For example, suppose if I am asking you a question, 463 divided by 23, what it does? What it does? I want to ask you a question. So this is a ratio, some number. So what you will say? The result is that many numbers, x times 23 is containing 463. That way obviously you will say. So this ratio number first, just how many times x times 23 contains in 463. That only we will. It is trivial we think, but it is memorized. Actually it is not there. What is the algorithm for us is how much time we can repeat. It is counting. It is counting of how many times we can 23 can be subtracted from 463. How many times we can subtract? Count. It is a count. It is a count. I want to say count. It is count is important. This count we are coming to physics. Okay, this is about two numbers, just two numbers. So second I am taking about two dimensionally homogeneous, same unit, means one building 100 meter, another building 20 meter. So what this ratio tells? 100 meter divided by 20 meter. You see meter, dimensionally same. What this ratio says? So it is a comparison. It is second point. It is a comparison. This building is taller than this building by 5 times. 5 times. This is comparison purpose. Comparison purpose. So now third point will come for important point. Third point, important point will come. So third point important will come that dimensionally inhomogeneous ratio. For example, I want to say what I want to say 20 kilometer per hour 20 divided by 3 kilometer per hour. So this is dimensionally inhomogeneous. So how we are doing this ratio? What is the meaning? Here actually we are understanding. We have to understand. Here only physics comes. I am telling mastery of the concept is where you should not miss. So now here what it comes. How much numerator is associated with the denominator? So in 1 hour, how much per unit? Okay, we will explain this in one example. Okay, I will ask a question. Suppose 340 gram, we take 340 gram, we take in 120 centimeter cube volume we have. What is the meaning? I am asking you to tell. Okay, tell. Yes. First, okay, you are telling that is density. Nice. So second, gram per centimeter cube. Mass per volume. Okay, you are telling mass per volume. Mass by volume. So this is here only we are not agreeing. Physics concept we are introducing in different way. What we are here we have to understand is that we are defining concepts. How we are defining? This is one number, magnitude. That number can be reduced. But what we are interested in gram per centimeter cube. So what you are tell in 1 centimeter cube, unit volume. If you are assuming 1 unit volume, how many grams are there? That is a correct interpretation. For the denominator, how much we are associated with the numerator. So per unit volume, counting. How many packages are concerned? Again counting. Subtraction, that way ratio is counting the subtraction. Here counting the volume contained. Counting how many unit cubes are there. So that number tells in unit volume how much mass is there. In unit volume, how much mass is there. This is the unit volume. In unit volume, centimeter cube, 1 centimeter. In this, how much mass is there? That he gives. So we are defining always like that. For example, in 10th you have read define volt, 1 volt. So what you are defining? 1 joule per 1 coulomb. You are dividing 1 joule. So what 9 volt battery does means, so 9 joule, 1 coulomb of charge is given 9 joule of energy. That what 9 volt battery does. So how we are defining 1 volt? Every coulomb of charge is having unit coulomb of charge. What is unit? Unit itself we are comparing with the unit only. What do you mean by unit? Unit and measurement. Why the name is called unit? Unit and measurement. First you are going to read in 11th. What is called unit? Why it is called unit? You are always comparing with unity. Unit, your basic unit of unit. Okay. Basic unit. Okay. 1 meter, you are comparing with unit meter. That is basic unit. So you are comparing with unit. 1 coulomb of charge. This is the definition. You have to understand the definition. So in physics, I have opened that question, answering question, how to answer the question. Always ask to define current. What is current? What is current is different, define current different. What is resistivity is different, what is defined resistivity is different. What is resistivity? It is how much resistance offers to the flow of electrons. That is resistivity. But define resistivity, you have to take the formula and you have to tell how much amount of resistivity is there. So how will you define? So define is different. What is different? So determine is different. Calculate is different. Derive is different. Judge is different. Sketch is different. Plot is different. Explain. You have to understand the meaning of the sentence. Then accordingly you have to answer. So terminology you have to understand. Concept you have to understand. So define. Normally we are defining. We are ratio. Inhomogeneous. When we are talking about inhomogeneous units ratio, we are defining how much numerator is associated with per unit of denominator. That first understanding concept should be there. For that I am emphasizing here. So coming back to our definition, 1 volt you have defined 1 joule per unit coulomb. So resistivity you are telling resistance equal to rho L divided by A. So define resistivity. It is a property of material. So resistance area divided by L. So you can substitute. Here you can substitute. What you can substitute? So you take one unit area on 1 unit length, 1 unit length. So cube. That is nothing but cube. 1 unit length, 1 unit area. This is area. 1 unit length. So 1 unit length, 1 unit area. Sorry, rho L divided by area. Sorry. I'm correcting. So resistance. Okay. So rho resistance equal rho L divided by A. So rho equal correct only. So R A divided by L correct. So 1 unit area on unit length you take. What is the resistance comes? That is the definition of resistance. So you are going by definition means unit to unit you are substituting. That you find unit. It is dimensionally inhomogeneous maybe. So for unit here is 1 coulomb. How much 1 joules you are giving? That is 1 volt. So this we have to understand. This verbal interpretation you have to practice. You have to practice on concept you have to understand. For example, for continuing this, what is area? What is area? Okay, length and breadth. Is it applicable for a circle? No. Then pi r squared we are having. Then is it applicable? Pi r squared is applicable for arbitrary area? Okay, no. Then what is a area enclosed? Area. Question is what is area? Again you are telling area enclosed. Area enclosed by curve. Agreed. But I have asked what is area. You are telling area enclosed by curve. Okay. So that is the answer. So question itself answer for the question. So again area is not defined. Area enclosed by curve. We have not defined. So what is the definition here? So it is counting the square. Unit. You are taking unit. You see. You are taking unit square. You are counting the unit square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many? If you are telling that this area is 20.3 centimeter squared, what is the meaning? 20.3 into 1 centimeter squared. So 1 unit area I am having. How many unit area I can fill up? 20.3 unit squares I can fill up here. Again comes unit square. You are counting here. Ratio, common ratio was subtraction. So unit squares you are filling up in the given area. It is again counting process. How much you can count and put in the given area. Area is in comparison. So that we have to understand the. So this area under the graph is extended to, for example, in you are knowing speed or velocity. So you have the curve. So this is a particle is moving like this. So this let us say V. This is T. So what is the time? So this is the particle moved this much distance. Then what is the displacement during this period? Displacement during this period is nothing but area under the graph. So let us say this is 6. This is 6. This will have 6, and this will let us have 3 seconds. So what is area? Triangle, you know. This area under the graph is triangle. You are not comfortable with half BH. So half base is 3, height is 6. So it is 9 centimeter squared. If unit is centimeter squared. If our basic square is 1 centimeter squared. So 9 unit centimeter squared I can fill up. That is a meaning this area under the graph. This is nothing but calculus. This is nothing but area. So you can do perfectly for 9 centimeter squared for triangle. If the graph is different, if the graph is like this, what is area under the graph? You have to do approximation. So calculus is a general. Again, but it is a area under the graph. How to do area under the graph? So that way calculus, integral calculus tells it is summing the area. So integral calculus, it is nothing but summing the area. So integral, it sounds big sum. It is sum. Yes ka big, yes. So you are summing the area under the graph. Okay. So it is not a problem. So now we will see. Suppose I am defining a function. A particle is moving y equal to, let us plot a graph 2x. It is moving like 2x. Okay. This is area under the graph. I want to know. It is a function. One function is there. Suppose I want to do area under the graph 2x. Okay. We will choose. So we are choosing. Let us choose 0 to 5. 0 to 5 I want to find out the area. Obviously you know for this area 0 to 5 base is 5. Base is 5. For this graph 0 to 5, area under the graph 0 to 5, we are doing this. Height is 10, base is 5. So 5 into 5, 25 centimeter squared. I know the target value. I know the target value of 25 centimeter squared. But area, okay, let us pretend that it is a non-linear graph and we will do by calculus. So that we are doing by calculus. So lower sum is one method. Calculating area, counting. Again I want to repeat, counting. So lower sum of f 0 to 5 I want to do by 10 division. The area I have divided into 10. First division, second division, third division. Okay, instead of if you are comfortable with it, that upper sum, we will put upper sum. Okay. So I have divided into area. My area comes 27 point. Upper sum means ज़्यादा आ रहा है because you are counting some extra. You are counting some extra. You see the area comes 27.5. So this is area extra. This is extra. This is extra comes. It counts. But this counts. This is y d. This is dx. Actually, this is dx. This is dx. This is y. So this area you are counting, finding. Next this area, 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 this area. You are summing. You are summing this y dx. Then you are finding the area 27.5. We know answer is 25 centimeter squared should come. But it is predicting over. Because you are including extra area. You are going by the formula of rectangles. Y dx is rectangular. This is dx, this is y. So calculus what it says, reduce the dx, then improve the dx tends to 0, lower the dx, that is. So I will make it instead of 10, I will make 20. I will make 20. You see, now it is reducing. My error reduces. You see, error reduces. Make 200. Make 200. You see, make 200. You see 25, almost close, but still higher. Because still some things are added. Make 2000. Make 2000. Is going to hang computer? Yes. You see 25.01. Still extra is there. Still extra. Del extends to 0. But you are approximating 25. Our result you know 25. Now result is coming 25. Almost 0.01 negligible. So this is calculus. It is general. Now area under calculation you can do for any function. You can do any function 0 to 5. Suppose this example, this you cannot do. Suppose let us say 2x squared. This function I am telling 2x squared. You see 2x squared. It's non-linear. Still I am getting area 83. You cannot do by conventional method. By calculus immediately solves. It is by 83.4 area. So calculus is again area under the graph. But your division y dx, the dx should be so small. How much small? Up to your requirement of your accuracy. Up to your requirement of your accuracy. This is the concept. So integral calculus is not hi-fi. As it is counting the area under the graph. Area, what is the definition of area? Operational definition is counting the unit area. So obviously you can tell now what is volume. The volume is a number of unit cubes, how much it contains. What is area? Unit area, 1 unit centimeter squared, how much it contains. Counting. What is ratio? Counting how much subtraction can happen. Inhomogeneous, what is counting? Per unit volume, how much gram, that is how much contains. Density, what we are giving name. But that is not the interpretation. Mass by volume density, it is not the interpretation. What it tells, in a given 1 unit volume, 1 cube, how many package, how much mass you are having. That visualization is required. This is the fundamental concept, that integral. So 11th directly they will start. Derive by calculus method, the kinematics equation. You know the equation S equal to ut plus half at squared. V equal to u plus at, A equal to constant. But A equal to constant, you should be able to derive the kinematic equation. How? They will, then this is calculus method. Then what is a physical meaning? The VT graph, area under the graph is displacement. So that way, you have to tell the concepts, how to. So these are the ways you have to understand the concept. You have to master. Once you understand the concepts, how it is going, interpretation, operational definition, we can solve the problem. So coming back to our discussion. So master the math tools with understanding, understand the concept. In that you make your own tricks, mind map, chart, flashcards, make. Understand definition, how to define. What is different? Define is different. Understand the wordings. Sketch is different, plot is different. Understand the words. Crucially understand what is being asked. So understand the concept. Check with your exemplar problems. Then go for exercises. Then go for additional exercises. But keep on practicing. Old exercise, old previous year problems you got. So problem solving is the key to success. That you have to do only after understanding concept. How to understand the concept? Fight with. Take help of teacher. Take your parents are educated well. You take their help. They are master. Don't underestimate them. Like you are underestimating NCERT book, normally you underestimate your parents. Do. So you fight. It is change required is not outside. It is in you. Always write handwritten notes. So then practice for speed. Win the competition. So that way comes. So winding up, whatever we say, how to crack. So when you should begin right now. Which institute? You are the best institute. You mend your ways. Mend your thoughts. Mend your distractions. And stay focused. Then rest is followed. Okay? Every teacher is good. Every institute is good. Does not matter. Chaku. If a person not knowing how to cut, 100 chaku is useful, no chaku is useful. Okay, a knife. Okay. Which book is best for? NCERT book is best, obviously. Exemplar problems, then exercises, then additional exercise. Then go for previous year questions. You take help of teachers, obviously. That is enough. No need of big pillow like books you need not read. I will not suggest. Okay. So how can I prepare for IIT physics? That I understand the concept. That I have repeated. So this is the questions. Thanks for your patient learning. All the best. Start preparing.